In this tutorial, we will show you how to take a partial and full screenshot on a Chromebook laptop. For this video, we will be using the Google Pixel Book Go. The process is the same for all Chromebooks. To take a screenshot of the entire screen, press the Control key and the Show All Open Windows button at the same time. When you take any kind of screenshot, you'll see an image of it appear at the bottom right corner of your screen. To take a partial screenshot, press the Shift and Control keys as well as the Show All Open Windows button at the same time. Afterwards, use your cursor to click and drag a box around the area you want to screenshot. After taking your screenshot, you will have the option to open it by clicking the pop-up and then selecting the screenshot from your Files folder. If you need to find an older screenshot, click the circular button at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then click Files, select Images in the upper left corner, and choose your screenshot.